So I want to start out by saying in this video that I am a god, okay? I have solved it. The age-old question, why am I stuttering so bad in VRChat? Why am I getting down to 11 FPS and then the game is basically crashing? Because it's only showing me like 1 frame per second on my Oculus Quest 2. Well, there's two things that I did that solved this. To begin with, I went to the NVIDIA control panel. If you have AMD, I'm guessing you can do the same thing. Not go to the NVIDIA control panel, of course, but like you can go to something where you can change the settings for a specific program or a game. So I go here, we scroll down, and then we get to max picture frequency. I don't know if that's the direct translation of it. It's basically max frames. Set that to whatever your headset is set to, and then set the max background frames for the max frames for the background application to 90 as well. Otherwise, that will just skyrocket. I think that at least. That solved it for a while, but then I started getting it again, like randomly. It was fine every now and then, but I still got those really bad frame drops, like especially when I opened a mirror in VRChat. Now, the way I solved that was you have to have your headset plugged in for this. Let me just plug in my headset. Okay, now that you're in Steam VR, click the left button on your... Actually, you don't need to click anything if it's open. But you know how to open the menu in Steam VR. Like this menu that I'm close here. I just hit the microphone, by the way, sorry. Go to Settings. And then go to Developer. And then I think it's here where you turn it on. So you need to turn on Open XR Runtime and select Steam as the main one. You probably have Oculus selected as the Open XR Runtimer. So I think that creates some sort of conflict with them. But as soon as I turn this on, I haven't had a single time where my frames have crashed like that. I have had frame drops, but maybe like one every like hour or so, compared to having like 10 per minute before. So that's basically what you need to do. I hope this helped you guys. See you in the next video, and goodbye. Oh yeah, like the video if it helped you.